Like you, Long Island Museum staff is working from the safety of our homes, waiting for a better day when we can open our doors back up to you, our visitors. We wanted to share this video from one of our current exhibitions. Off the Rack, Building and Preserving LIM's Art Treasures features nearly 90 works of art and throws open our storage vault, sharing some highlights and also new acquisitions you may not have seen. Almost 80 years ago, the Long Island Museum's art collection started as a treasure trove for 19th century painter William Sidney Mount. LIM is the primary repository for Mount's major oil paintings, sketches, journals, and memorabilia. As time went on, our holdings of work became much more diversified. We collected other American and Long Island masters: Louis Comfort Tiffany, Winslow Homer, Henry Prellwitz, Helen Torr, and Jane Wilson. Our holdings of work by American painters, printmakers, and sculptors has come to contain over 500 paintings, 2,500 works on paper, and nearly 50 sculptures. A particular strength of the collection is landscape painting, from 19th century to contemporary works. The museum has focused on all variations of that field, from works that are more impressionist to scenes that are more abstract. The Baker Pisano collection, a carefully focused donation from D. Frederick Baker and Ronald G. Pisano, greatly assisted that effort. Much of this collection usually stays out of visitors' sight in storage spaces. Off the Rack gives visitors a chance to see some of the rare and outstanding works in LIM's collection. The museum was recently awarded a New York State Council for the Arts Facilities Capital Equipment Grant to extend our storage capacity with new screens, aiding in acquisition efforts. This project will help to build for the future for years to come. There are many more ways online for you to experience and enjoy our collections. Google Arts and Culture features both collection highlights and virtual tours from some previous exhibitions. And our Past Perfect Collection online database from LIM's website gives extensive access. We wish you all safety, wellness, and comfort with your loved ones. And we look forward to a day when we can reopen our doors and invite you to come back and enjoy the museum.